Are you ready to share? Now, we present you one and only Bike 00. We are now proudly introducing the Smart Lock. The Smart Lock makes a more convenient and safer way to rent a bike. First, we deploy BLE technology to save money and no SIM card is required. Secondly, it is safer with CCEAL5 Plus security standard. And last but not least, simply use app to connect the lock with easy-to-use interface to save time. To get started, all you need is 3 simple steps. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS on your cell phone. Step 2. Search for a nearby bike on the map and click on the bike to rent the bike. And last step. To return the bike, just simply return to an appropriate location and press the return button. For more information, don't hesitate, just contact us. We are more than happy to answer you. Smart Handset, your best personal partner for your health management whenever you need it. Let's further figure out. As parents, have you ever worried about the safety of your kids while they were having a fever over the night? Oops, where is our ear thermometer? Is it out of order again? With the debut of our smart headset, you don't have to get up every hour and worry about missing out any critical moment. To solve the pain points of current situation, we initiate an idea to integrate the major functions of current product. The perfect combination of thermometer, G-sensor, headset and heartbeat with offering of great design to touch your heart for your daily scenarios. Imagination is without boundary. She can be your best personal partner whenever you need to monitor your vital signs. Enjoy the amazing experience and joyful adventure with our solution. You can have them all. No more waiting. You got one opportunity to witness such dramatic change with us. We are EIMBA students of NTU, eagerly targeting as inspiring and awakening the potential and massive power of this island for our next generation through entrepreneurship and innovation.